This is how to play Get Into It by Doja Cat. But before we begin with the tutorial, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and share this video. The song goes like this. Yeah, let's deal with the left hand chords first. The first chord is an E major chord and the second chord is an E flat major chord. And the right hand goes like this. So E flat, E flat, E, then back to E flat, then E flat, then D flat, then back to E flat. Just like this. So this is the first part. Then you move to you can also play like this. Or I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.